Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Patrice Kleurt. Okay, today I have a flip through from Vals Craft Creations and it's called Secret Garden. Everything what you want to know, the link and so is on this description box. I have printed out on two papers the papers for the pages in the journal is on 160 grams and for my die cuties is on 250 grams. Okay, I have not printed all of them, only what I gonna use. Lovely roses, it's really amazing. The roses, the girls, the doors. It's amazing. Lovely colors. Sunlight. A girl, it's what's going to read. So I love it. And now the die cuties. Tags, tickets, sorry. More tags. I call it postcards. An envelope with cards. A little tiny belly band. You can use it for everywhere. Belly bands. Also for small pieces you can use this as a belly band. Again, tags, an envelope with two, and they are so lovely. Look. There's you can use pockets, text. Welcome to my secret garden. Welcome to my vintage secret garden. I love this so much. I love vintage. The colors. Lots of pockets. You can see. As you can see, I mean, this is of course for the designing from Vals Craft Creations, and I hope I get it soon ready. Okay, thanks for watching and I hope I see you next time. Bye bye.